Alright, it's gonna be a little bit before I get shit going. So, in the meantime, let's see what I got today. So first things first is the SD Sengoku Setsu. Hold up. Sengoku Soketsuden. Sengoku Soketsuden. Dianway Master Gundam. I have the accompanying God Gundam to go with this. And I've been on the lookout for a Master Gundam equivalent to go alongside it. So, really excited to see the two together. I bought paint just for the eyes, the head camera. Also bought a thing of purple paint for a completely different reason, not even having to do with this kit. But it turns out I am going to need it for a handful of pieces. So, gonna be cool to see, or at least from what I can tell. Well, let's get this open, see what we got in the box. I'm not a huge fan of SD kits, which is why I bought the green, because I hate SD eyes. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn that off. So let's see what we got in this box. We got first bag. Here's our sticker sheet, 2 purple pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black pieces, eyes, and a head camera. I'm gonna try to mask those off and use my green spray paint and see what I can do. Let's go on to our runners in the first bag. First off, we have our A runner, clearly joint pieces. I think it's part of the backpack, clearly part of the waist. Arm, hands, very clearly hands. So that's that. Next, we have our C runner in clear purple, which looks really nice. Because I've built so many Master Gundams, I know those are leg pointy bits. I think this is a part of one of the skirts. I can't really tell. These may be part of the spear. I know almost guaranteed these are. I'm interested to see where these go. This is actually a really cool, I've never seen this color clear piece before, so that's interesting. Next bag. Now I'm wondering if these bits right here are actually for the head bits. They're about the right size to fit in underneath right here. So next is our B runner. Clearly our huge thing for the glorious Master Gundam head. Arm pieces, chest, I'm assuming feet, shoulder armor. Next we have our white E-runner, the face, legs, spear, and good old question mark. Next bag. Alright, so let's see. In our last bag, we have a bunch of gold pieces. Gonna paint these actually gold. This is gonna be fun, because I know this needs to be multiple colors and not just gold. We'll see what we can do with that. These spike mohawk bits right here. I'm assuming some arm bits, chest vents, front skirt. This is the back skirt, because of course the back skirt is going to be the one the most color inaccurate. Like, it doesn't even come with stickers for half of this, because I know the gold is actually just the trim and it's mainly black and purple. So that is our D runner. Next is our F runner with some nice clear bits for the feet, V-fin. These are the eyes, which I plan on painting good old green. Gonna mask this off and paint that green. There's the spear bits. Never mind, that's some shoulder pieces actually. That's a spear bit. And then I'm assuming this all right here is just spear bits. And we have our nice little manual bits and pieces of it. See, this is what I mean, right here. Right here, it's mainly black with some gold bits. But I have purple paint. It won't match the purple that the rest of the kit is. Mainly because the only purple on this kit is clear. But that's fine by me, I guess. Actually, is the back of the head hollow? Oh my god, the purple bits are the back of the head. What the fuck? Oh my god. That's a bad. I mean, it will make it easier because it just means I gotta mask off these lines, I guess. And then just paint it black, I guess. That's pretty gross, dog. That's pretty gross. Not gonna lie. You know, I was really excited to build this because I thought, oh yeah, there's not gonna be a lot to paint. This sticker sheet isn't that big. And then I guess I just forgot it's an SD kit and it's gonna be that way. So that's a mighty bit disappointing. Oh, there's a little comic in here. Our manual all laid out in one glorious piece. Other side of our manual, the color side. Next kit is the high grade Gundam 00. Gundam 00. So, first bag. We have our sticker sheet, which that's for the V-fin. Fuck you, I'm painting it. These are for all under the clear bits, which I'm gonna try with these to see about just painting the underside of the clear bits and not necessarily the parts that these stickers go on, because I know, if I know correctly, I've never built any of these, but I believe these go on parts and then the clear pieces go on top. But these are super dark and won't really show up properly, which is really weird because this would be as like if it's deactivated with how dark it is. Gray bits, I can hit that with some primer and call it a day. Same thing with this. I believe these go on some clear bits. And if the experiment with the green goes well, I will do the underside of the red as well. The main reason why I want to hit the clear bits and not necessarily the parts underneath is I feel the color will show up better if it's on the underside of the clear bits than if it's on the part that the clear bit's on. That's the sticker sheet. Next, first we have our A runner, all our clear bits. All will be our gold bits, red bits. Joint pieces, waist, limbs, including hands. So that is that, probably the groin right there. Legs for sure, right here. Yeah. This might be a cover gap for a action base. Oh. But it's like, this is what I mean, is like this right here. I'm pretty sure the okay. No, those probably go right here. But I'm pretty sure the stickers go in right here. And then these go onto there. No, of course, and then the hands that way. Gross. That's the A runner. Last bag. First up is our garbage polycap bag. It's that universal polycap runner. Gonna have some bits for the extra polycap bag. Next is our B runner. We got our GN condensers with a bunch of big fucking okay for this. Arm bits, chest bits, leg bits, feet, it's probably actually legs, feet, Assuming chest, arms, possibly legs, no fucking clue. Swords, hands, do not know. The head. Never mind, that's the head. And then this is one I'm gonna have to mask off, because this is supposed to be gold, and fuck you, I'm not doing a fucking sticker. Luckily, this only has one connecting point on this whole runner, despite having 6 possible connection points. So it's a pretty full version with very little cleanup. Whoa. Last but not least is our C runner. We have our gene condenser bits, shoulder bits, the chest, backpack. I'm assuming more shoulder bits. And then I'm assuming top of the shoulder bits. From just judging from this picture right here. Front of the manual. Ooh. Back of the manual, clearly just being colored instructions for finishing the build, which doesn't even look like it's actually fully completed at that step. Other side, we have our colors to paint it up as it should be shown. Then an overview and some poses of the kit itself painted. Don't remind me of the Exia. I've wanted that, but they didn't have any. Then we have our instructions. Looking like it's getting built up the average normal way here. Telling you how to specifically cut some pieces. That's probably going to be useful. It looks like some pieces are going to be super crucial. I love how the first bit of the instructions is all the way the fuck over here, where there is never any instructions. That's interesting. All right. To our last kit. I'm excited. The high grade Barbatos. Very similar. In fact, I think it's the exact same version as the master grade. I built the lupus and I actually like the lupus. The only problem is I ripped the arm, the right arm off of my lupus. I technically need to get another lupus. In the meantime, let's see what we got here. First bag. Bunch of tiny runners. Let's see what we got here. We got our tiny little E runner in some good old navy blue. Clearly some chest, maybe some backpack bits. Next little runner is our D runner. Our eyes are just our... I'm used to that being the eyes. It's not the eyes. I think that just might be the goatee bit. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Bits and parts of the feet. The front part of the feet. So I'm assuming the back part of the feet are all going to be in one color. We shall see. We shall see. That would be interesting. Groin bit right there. Next little runner is our C runner, which is going to be all our gold bits. So side vents on the head, V-fin, chest vents. I believe these are leg and or arm bits. Oh no. Are the arm bits not color separated like they should be? They're totally not. Ew. Next is our B runner. Let's see what we got on the B runner. Chest bit. Gonna have to figure out how to paint that red. Backpack. Arms. Legs. Shoulder armor. Oh, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Potentially. Maybe it's just gonna require one layer of masking tape and just a fun time. We'll see. There's the head and the eyes. So I'm gonna try my best to do what I can, but hopefully I can mask all this off, keep this bottom bit white, but do like gold for these goatee and whisker bits, and then mask that off, and then prime it with black, and then do green on the eyes. I'm going to try to do what I can. I'm going to also try to get these in red. I might try the hand paint I have. I might go buy more paint. These bits, going to try do whatever I can for red. Going to try to not use stickers if I can. These I'm going to have to mask off and paint gold. It's going to be a huge pain in the ass. These I'm going to have to mask off and paint black and or gray. It's going to be a huge pain in the ass. On to the next bag. So first things first, let's get this fucking done and over with. Oh my god, the sticker sheet. There's so much that's just gray. There's a couple bits that are red. A lot of these are the power symbol red, which I don't give a shit. They'll just be normal red, like they would have been in animation. So who gives a shit? Same thing with this chest bit and whatever the fuck this is. Oh my god, this sticker sheet is fucking huge. I'm gonna try to not use the eyes. I'm gonna try to do the best I can with masking tape and spray paint. If not, I might try to do the best I can with fucking hand painting. Who knows? Another thing of polycaps, but I think this is not as bad. Might be slightly bad. We'll see when we look at our manual. Next is A2. Our sword bit, fully modeled. It's got to get cut out. Inner frame bits. That was one of the things about the IBO series, is that they actually came on technically an interframe of their own, which is interesting. So that is A2. And then for our last runner, we have A1. more inner frame bits, legs, everything. I like the fact that these piping are very clearly defined. I can try to paint them the best I can. Hand bits. There's a lot of piping. There's a lot more piping than I remember there being. I want to see if those are leg bits. Next, let's get to our manual. Nice IBO minimalist manual. I'm sure if they were to do these again, there'd be a lot more English on here than there is, because there's currently none. Painting guide here on the back. Center fold is finishing the kit. Jesus. Wow. I guess it has you built it into the original version. Which, why would you want that and have extra bits? Seems kind of dumb to me. And here we can see the normal instructions. So we go from body, head, arms, then feet, legs, and then we fold over, get to the waist, put it all together. Backpack. Wow, we end with the backpack. That's interesting. And then the weapons. And then it goes to the correct shoulder armor, which is really, really, really interesting. I'm surprised it actually has you build it without the proper shoulder armor. That is interesting. But yeah. That's the kits I got today. I'm excited to start cutting them out and putting them together. Hope to see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good day. See y'all next time.